Welcome back. Today, I'll show you how to create a fat loss-focused meal, breaking down each part of your plate to help you reach your goals. When building a fat loss meal, there are three key elements to focus on: calories, protein, and volume. Calories. To lose body fat, we need to consume fewer calories than we burn each day. That's the foundation of any fat loss plan. Protein. Protein is crucial for maintaining lean muscle mass while losing body fat. Remember, the goal is fat loss, not simply weight loss. Volume. To stay full and satisfied, we need plenty of nutrient-dense, low-calorie foods. Think vegetables and fruits that help curb hunger throughout the day. Step 1. Choose your protein source. I like to start by building meals around a protein source. For today's meal, I'm using air-fried tofu, but you can use lentils, tempeh, or your preferred plant-based protein. Generally, protein should take up about 1/4 to 1/3 of your plate. For this meal, I have 3/4 of a block of tofu, providing around 45 grams of protein. Protein helps ensure that while you're losing fat, you're also preserving lean muscle. Many people aim for around 20 to 35 grams of protein per meal, but this can vary based on factors like body composition and training level. Studies suggest that 0.4 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight per meal supports muscle maintenance, so aim to hit this protein target consistently. Step 2. Add high-volume veggies. Next, let's talk about volume. Adding plenty of vegetables is key, especially for fat loss. Here, I've added snow peas, red bell peppers, and broccoli. About 200 calories in total, providing a lot of volume for a few calories and tons of nutrients. Volume is essential in a fat loss meal because it keeps you full without adding too many calories. When you're focusing on fat loss, hunger can become an issue, so loading up on low-calorie, high-fiber veggies is a great strategy. For my meal, about 3/4 of the plate is dedicated to vegetables, leaving the remaining space for protein. Step 3. Add flavor with low-calorie dressings. To make this meal flavorful, I added a peppercorn marinade to the tofu, 20 calories for 2 tablespoons, and steamed the veggies with 1 tablespoon of liquid aminos, 15 calories. Finally, I'll top everything with Bragg's oil-free vinaigrette, 15 calories for 2 tablespoons, and I'm using 3. This dressing is low-calorie and delicious, perfect for fat loss meals where calories are limited. While this meal may look simple, you can always add flavor with spices, low-calorie dressings, or herbs. Optional. Adding carbs and healthy fats. Now, if you want to add some carbs, like rice or potatoes, simply adjust the plate by reducing some veggies to keep the calories in check. Carbs are great energy sources but can reduce the volume of your meal, so balance them with veggies for the best of both worlds. For healthy fats, let's compare broccoli with avocado. Replacing broccoli with avocado provides a smaller portion due to caloric density, which is an important consideration when building a filling, satisfying fat loss meal. Summary. Building a fat loss meal. So, to recap, when creating a fat loss meal, focus on calories, stay in a calorie deficit. Protein, maintain muscle mass. Volume, choose low-calorie, high-fiber foods for fullness. Following these principles will help you create satisfying, fat loss-friendly meals. Let us know in the comments if there are other types of meal breakdowns you'd like to see. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.